In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an effective task tracker in Notion. We're going to keep things simple and focused, so by the end, you'll have a clean, functional space where you can manage your tasks and stay organized without feeling overwhelmed. First, open Notion on your computer. On the left-hand side, look toward the bottom of the sidebar for the option that takes you to the template marketplace. This is where Notion keeps a huge collection of pre-built pages, including task trackers and productivity tools, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Go ahead and click on the marketplace. Once it opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click inside that search bar and start typing either Pomodoro or Task Tracker. Using Pomodoro will usually bring up more productivity-focused templates designed around timed work sessions, while Task Tracker tends to show more general lists and project management layouts. Either way, you'll get several options that can serve as an excellent starting point. As the results appear, take a moment to look through the different templates. You'll usually see a short description or a preview of how the tracker is structured. This can help you choose something that matches your style, whether you like simple to-do lists, more advanced boards, or calendar views. When you find a template that looks right for you, move your mouse over it and click on it to open the detailed preview. This will usually show you an example of how tasks are organized, what properties are available, and how the overall layout feels. If it looks like something you could see yourself using every day, you're ready to add it to your workspace. Now, look for the button that allows you to add the template to your own Notion. It's typically labeled Add or something very similar. Click on that. Notion will then create a copy of the template inside your workspace, usually in the sidebar, ready for you to customize. Once it's added, you can rename the page, adjust the properties, and start entering your own tasks. Consider grouping your tasks by priority, deadline, or project so the tracker becomes more meaningful to you. From here, it's all about using it consistently. Come back to this page daily, add new tasks, and check things off as you complete them, and that's all it takes to set up an effective